electricity consumption is growing, and at the same time, more and more electricity is to come from renewable energy sources. This is not possible without a modern electricity grid. That is why the network operator Austrian Power Grid will construct in Salzburg a new high-performance 380 kV line. We are talking about the Salzburg line. It closes an important gap in the Austrian high-voltage grid and will guarantee a secure power supply. Along the 128-kilometer-long construction site, 448 new pylons are being built. Felbermayr expertise and equipment are being used at more than 100 pylon construction sites, primarily from the Tennengau Mountains to the Pongau Mountains. This presents challenges. The terrain here can have a gradient of up to 40 degrees. Many mast sites are also located in undeveloped areas. Before mast construction can begin, access roads have to be set up, material ropeways built, and rockfall nets installed. In particularly exposed places, helicopters are also used. Only then can the employees from the specialized civil engineering department erect the actual foundations for the supports, starting with excavation support and laying the foundations. Each individual mast place is reinforced with about 8 tons of structural steel and fixed with up to 1,000 linear meters of small-bore piles. They are anchored in the ground to a depth of up to 15 meters. The soil varies from hard rock to loose earth. After 4 to 8 weeks, a mast foundation is ready. Now the actual mast construction begins. In about 80% of the cases, mobile cranes are used for this. Piece by piece, these special vehicles hoist mast sections to the erecting cranes, which install them at dizzying heights. For the crane operator, this is precision work. The highest masts of the Salzburg line are 90 meters high. Around 50 tons of material are used in the steel construction alone. Work platforms such as the F90 LTK are also used as height access equipment. These are maneuverable and flexible lifting devices. With their swiveling basket jib, they can also reach places that are difficult to access, like here on the Lueck Pass, where work is currently being done on the conductor cables of the Salzburg line. Hard to believe, but the F90 LTK with its 48 tons tear weight can lift people and material up to 90 meters. In order to cause as little damage as possible to animals and nature before and during the construction work, ecologists relocate amphibians and the like from the construction sites long before the machinery arrives. Amphibian fences along the construction sites prevent the animals from re-entering the area and coming to harm. As soon as all the masts are in place, all the cables have been pulled in and all the construction equipment has been removed, the areas around the mast sites will be restored to their natural state. The animals can return. The Salzburg line is scheduled to go online in 2025. We at Felbermayr are pleased to be able to contribute our expertise to ensure a secure electricity supply for Austria.